Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a new 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale. It is located in the exclusive Jamaica Beach, Tower Isle, St. Mary. It is in proximity to the Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel and Ocherous in St. Anne. The property is a few meters from the ocean and offers partial views of the ocean and the environs of Tower Isle. It sits on zero point 0.2 acres of land. The property boasts high-end finishes, swimming pool, garden, and a wraparound balcony on the upper floor. It is perfect for a vacation home. It could be your primary residence or used as an investment property with beaches and all major amenities at your fingertips in Tower Isle and Ocherous. Contact agent via telephone, email, or WhatsApp to arrange viewing or to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $750,000 or Jamaican $115.4 million to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.